In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert Google Sheets to Excel. Whether you're working on collaborative spreadsheets with your team or organizing your personal data, converting your Google Sheets into Excel format can come in handy for offline access, sharing, or even using advanced Excel features. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your Google Sheet. This is your starting point, so launch your browser, and if you're not already logged into your Google account, do so. Navigate to Google Sheets by either searching it on Google or by clicking the Sheets button in your Google Apps. Open the sheet you wish to convert. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to verify that all data is current and formatted to your liking, because this will be saved just as you see it during the conversion. Now that you have your document ready, the next step is to navigate to the File menu. You can find this option easily at the top left corner of your Google Sheets menu bar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This drop-down contains various options related to saving, sharing, and exporting your document. Within the File drop-down, you want to look for the Download option. Hover over or click on Download, and a side menu will appear. This section provides various export options for your Google Sheet. You'll notice there are multiple formats available, such as PDF, Open Document, and of course, Microsoft Excel. For our purpose today, we'll focus specifically on Excel. Now, from the Download side menu, you'll see the option for Microsoft Excel, XLSX. This is the format we want. It ensures compatibility with most versions of Microsoft Office, giving you the flexibility to continue analyzing, sharing, or displaying your data using Excel's powerful features once you've downloaded it. Finally, click on the Microsoft Excel XLSX option. This action prompts your browser to begin downloading the converted file directly to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked to specify where you want the file saved, or it might automatically save to your default Downloads folder. Give it a moment, and soon your Google Sheet will be an Excel file, ready to be opened and used with Microsoft Excel or other compatible software. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google Sheet into an Excel file. It's a straightforward process, making it easy to keep your data versatile and accessible, whether online or offline. Remember, this method is perfect for quick, one-off conversions. For frequent conversions, you might want to explore advanced automation tools available online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.